Love, Nanay and Claire.
Hello KaFam! Welcome to our channel. Isang araw, isang pahina ng aming buhay. In today's video, we welcome you to our personal space. These are the before shots of our bedroom. Simple and nothing so much in here. But this room has so much history since this is my bedroom since I was 10 years old. And now, I have Claire to share this room, so I guess it needs more color and changes. Let's start with some planning, though I am not good at interior designing. And decluttering is a good start, though Claire is having a hard time choosing which ones will stay and which ones will go.
Really excited. Let's go do it. 1, 2, 3. Stop.
Designing your room starts within you. What you really want and express it through colors and designs. And we got a little help from Pinterest to help us visualize what could be the outcome. Well, Claire wants a rainbow room and I want a cozy one. Contrasting, isn't it? So how could it be? Join us as we try to meet both of our desires for our bedroom until the end of this video.
Yeah. I love it, Nanay.
The total amount of expenses we had to design our room is roughly 3,000 pesos. How? Well, malls and shops do have tons of discount promos that is practical to choose nowadays, and we maximize the use of whatever we already have. Just see your old stuffs as new and in another perspective.
Still big, still heavy.
As our fight against COVID-19 is still uncertain when it will end, see in another light why we need to stay at home. It is for the health and safety of all of us and time that we need to refocus ourselves to our mental well-being. Use your spare time to reflect and take courage to act on it. Remember, change can happen when we decide to start. Anyway, let me share to all of you one thing that I am very happy about. I bought this together with my colleagues in El Khalili, Cairo, Egypt, which I found amazing since I love going back to history. This is papyrus, a material similar to thick paper that was used in ancient times as a writing surface. It was made from the pith of the papyrus plant Cyperus papyrus, a wetland sedge. Paper made from papyrus was the chief writing material in ancient Egypt, was adopted by the Greeks, and was used extensively in the Roman Empire. This is not a book, but a painting. Guess what is it? We will reveal the painting in our next video. Little helping hands need reward, and this is what she always asked me to buy that I never did for a long time. I guess this is the perfect time after a tiring long week of work. But we will keep you hanging until our bedroom tour in our next video to see how did it turned out, possessions and stories behind them. Remember that you can always decide to start recreating your bedroom in the simplest way that you can, because you deserve a good space to be ready again for a brand new day. Love, Nanay and Claire.